In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your QuickBooks subscription. Whether you found an alternative service or simply no longer need QuickBooks, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. However, navigating through the platform might initially seem a bit daunting. By the end of this guide, you will have all the confidence you need to handle it on your own. Starting off, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for QuickBooks, or click on the link if you have it saved. Make sure you're logged into your account to access all necessary features. Once you're on the homepage, look for the settings icon. Typically, this is located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up a drop-down menu, inviting you to explore various account settings. Next, you'll want to find and select the option that reads Subscriptions and Billing. This section is your gateway to managing all things related to your QuickBooks subscription. It's here where you'll review details about your current plan, including billing information. Scrolling down the Subscriptions and Billing page, you'll eventually spot the option you're looking for, which is Cancel Subscription. This option is usually highlighted or placed conveniently for users who need to make changes quickly. Before you click that button with full resolve, let's go over a few important points. Canceling your subscription doesn't immediately delete your account or data. QuickBooks typically allows you a grace period during which you can still access your data. This is particularly handy in case you have a change of heart or need to retrieve some information. However, once the cancellation is complete and the period lapses, you might lose access to your data unless you decide to renew. When you do click Cancel Subscription, QuickBooks may ask you a couple of questions or present a short survey simply to understand why you're opting out of their service. Feel free to provide honest feedback if prompted, as this information can help them improve their services for others. After you've confirmed your cancellation, you should receive an email notification. This email serves as a confirmation of your request and provides a record of your decision. It's a good idea to keep this email for your records just in case you encounter any issues or need proof of cancellation. So that's it. You have successfully navigated through the process of canceling a QuickBooks subscription. Hopefully, this walkthrough has made the task easy to comprehend and execute. Remember to keep an eye out on your emails for confirmation, and enjoy the peace of mind knowing your subscription has been managed according to your current needs.